Welcome to Veye, your go-to source for the latest insights and analysis on the Australian stock market. We don't give direct buy or sell recommendations. Always remember to do your research before making any investment decisions. And now, let's begin. Everyone wants to find that one stock, the one that skyrockets and turns a small investment into a massive win. But how do you actually spot a winning stock on the ASX? Today, we're going to break it down into 3 actionable strategies that you can start using right now. Stick around and let's decode the stock market magic together. The first step? Look at what industries are trending. Is there a booming demand for lithium due to EV production? Is healthcare research ramping up because of global aging populations? Understanding the sectors that are gaining momentum can point you toward the next big opportunity. Stocks often follow industry waves. If you can predict the wave, you can ride it to profit. Next, dive into the company's numbers. Stocks with consistent revenue growth, manageable debt, and strong profit margins are usually safer bets. Think of it like a health check. A company with clean books and steady growth is like a car with a full tank and a tuned engine. It's built for the long drive. And here's the wild card: market sentiment. Stocks often rise and fall based on news, not just numbers. A simple announcement, like a merger or breakthrough technology, can send a stock soaring. The trick is staying informed and acting quickly. Company like Veye can help you stay ahead of the curve by analyzing breaking news and trends in real time. To recap, follow the industry wave, prioritize financial health, and pay attention to market sentiment. These 3 strategies combined can help you spot winning stocks before the rest of the market catches on. Want more insights like this? Subscribe to VI for in-depth reports, trend analysis, and stock recommendations that help you invest smarter. Hit the like button if this video added value, and share it with someone who needs to level up their investing game. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies.